And what you're going to look for in a buckle carrier that has this ability is on your shoulder straps, you want to be able to unclip your shoulder straps. So if your soft texture carrier has the ability, if your soft texture carrier has the ability to unclip those shoulder straps, then most likely you have the ability to do a hip carry in your soft structure. So I start by just kind of undoing everything. And my shoulder straps, I'm going to loosen pretty much all the way out. Take those clips and loosen them all the way out. It just makes it a little bit easier to work with. Hold on just a minute, baby. So what I'm going to do from there, you can do one of two things. You can go ahead and put your soft structure on at your waist where you would, or your hips wherever you would normally sort of start in a front carry. Or you can go ahead and start it a little bit off center onto your hip and start it there if that's what you want to do, which is what I'm going to do just for the ease of the video and just stretching everything around afterwards. So up on your hip, tighten everything down so it is nice and snug. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and grab my little and place her up on my hip. Once I have it up on my hip, I'm going to take the panel of the soft structure carrier and just pull it up over her back and bottom. Make sure she's got a good seat and her knees are not off center in the carry. And then this front strap, you're going to think of it kind of like a beauty sash. It's going to come up over your shoulder. And then once you have it up over your shoulder, support baby with this other hand. And you can find that other connecting buckle at the same time and just kind of hold them both. And then you're going to reach back behind you and get a hold of that connecting buckle and just snap it into the connector strip. You can go ahead and do a little bit of tightening if you want to. Kind of do a little bit of tightening. There we go. So a little bit of tightening. And then we're going to take the second side. It's actually just going to go around your body. So I'm just going to kind of take it right here and pinch it underneath my arm and then reach around to grab it. And got it twisted, so I'm going to flip around because we definitely don't want to have any twists on our back. There we go. And then should give this a little twist. Okay, now I got the twist out. And then we're just going to pull around, clip your connector clips, and tighten up. So, this piece fairly tightened, and then I'm gonna pull this down over my shoulder because it makes it a little bit more comfortable for me. And do up any additional tightening that needs to happen. And then you have your soft structure carrier, a buckle carrier, and a hands-free hip carry.